guys, have you heard of SOS?
Sound of the Spirit 2.0. It's happening live at
The Reformed Presbyterian Church of Nigeria, number 1 AOPCM Close, opposite Ezokuna Ho Abakaliki.
and the theme is Intimacy.
And guess who are coming?
Ministering Reverend Cornelius O. Eke.
Lyrical HI,
Our powerful blessed couple, Mr. M and Revelation,
Minister DFO,
Minister Passionate,
Minister Fazowe.
Minister Dew.
I will be there, and my friends will be there.
I will also be there. My well-wishers will also be there too.
He that dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Come, let's soak ourselves in the sands of the Spirit season, and it's gonna be, oh my God!
This wonderful event is going to be live on the 28th day of October 2022 by 7 p.m. till dawn. See you there.